And this is where it all starts, from the egg. After the egg, a butterfly can lay up to one egg or to a multiple amount of eggs. Now these eggs are the vital spot from where these caterpillars comes out. Caterpillars can be of different types, different colors, different shapes, and can be of different sizes. So there are poisonous caterpillars as well as good caterpillars. These caterpillars can do severe harm to your garden if you have them, or can be good to your garden. Monarch caterpillar is one of those caterpillars that are poisonous. If a predator ends up eating them, they can get poisoning because they eat different poisonous plants. Caterpillar can also travel through ground and can reach your house. They usually like to stay on tree because that's where they can find their food, but if there is no tree, usually travel from through the ground. Caterpillar can also die in the process because not all caterpillars gets converted to butterfly. There are exceptions where they die, some of them die while they are growing. Different kind of insects consume these caterpillars and take them. For example, ants consume them, make them part and then take them home. Caterpillars has lot of predators that actually eats caterpillars, and that can also be the reason why caterpillars dies. However, there are poisonous caterpillars that other predator doesn't consume. The caterpillar after that consumes to pupa and then eventually evolves into a butterfly. The butterflies then lays their wings and then takes their first flight of their life. Butterflies are of different sizes, different colors, and they are really beautiful. Some of their colors are so fascinating that people just see them in awe. Butterflies are really important for our environment. They helps in pollination and helps our plants, help the flowers, helps fruits grow. By pollination I mean butterfly visits from plants to plants and carries their pollens from one plant to another. That's how the pollination occurs. They also go to the plants to suck the sweet nectar from the plants. They do it through their proboscis and then they jumps from one plant to another plant, and that's how they complete the pollination process. This is a very important process for the environment to survive, and is also important for us because we are also dependent on our environment to survive. Pollination is also done by other insects along with butterflies, but butterfly is a very crucial aspect in the pollinations. Butterfly can't fly really well, so that's why they become prey to many predators. They wobble and they travel. They are not fast. They don't fly really that well like wasps or bees. They just somehow do the process and they just flies from one place to another. There are many predators for butterflies. Fortunately though, butterflies actually lays eggs before anything's happened. Now there are home gecko, there are garden lizards that actually eats butterflies. and there are also frogs who eats butterflies. All kind of frogs eat butterflies because butterflies are easy prey. They are almost harmless. They can't hurt the predator, so it's an easy prey for the predator to actually eat the butterfly. Frogs are usually one of the top predator for butterflies, and if there is a group of butterflies, frogs feast on them. Along with frogs, there is also spiders that actually feeds on butterflies. Spiders have spider nest where the butterflies get trapped and then the spider consumes them. Spider nests are really sticky, and butterfly once after getting trapped cannot get out from the sticky trap. That's it. I hope you really liked the video. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.